let's go get some coffee.
Hello.
Hello everyone! Today I have a really fun day and I'm so excited to take you with me and show you what I do. You guys finally get to meet my boyfriend and we are going to a coffee shop first. I think we're going to the pool, getting lunch, and then we're going to a demolition derby, which I've never been to, and I am genuinely so excited because I'm a girl's girl, but I also really love cars. Before I head out, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing for today, and then we'll get going. Here is what I'm wearing for today. The top is from Target. I have no clue where the bottoms are. Normal jewelry as usual. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Now, let's go get some coffee. I actually just changed really quick into this cute little sundress. I love. Okay, we're leaving now. Well, we have another change of plans. So he called me and he's like, well, he tried calling me. I was scrambling to change and he tried calling me 3 times and he was like, oh, like I'm actually picking you up. I was like, oh, that's so sweet. So I didn't have to scramble anymore, which was good, because after I stopped like recording, I was like, oh wait, I kind of want to change, and he was like, oh wait, I already left. And I was like, I like put my phone down and I was scrambling to get ready and leave, and then he was like, I'm picking you up. I was like, thank the Lord. Thank you. But now he's texting me. But yeah, he'll be here soon and you'll get to meet him. I will see you in the car or whenever we're at the coffee shop, because I don't know if he wants to be on camera right now because it is pretty early, so we'll see. Hey everyone, my boyfriend and I are about to go to the pool now. Say hi! So we're gonna go to the pool and then we're gonna go back to his house and I'll vlog maybe a little bit there. Bye! Hey everyone, excuse my appearance. We just came back from the pool and I'm gonna shower and dry my hair and then we're gonna have dinner at his house and then we're on to the demolition derby.
Radiator. See you later. And it's now Bluetooth.